Hello students, today we are discussing about the mitochondria. This is the part first of this topic. You can see on this paper the first part for learning is the history of mitochondria's discovery. So, the mitochondria was first ever discovered by Colliker in muscle cells of insects. The term given by Carl Benda means the term mitochondria was given by Carl Benda. Next is that first ever stained by Michaelis using a stain or dye called Janus green B. Janus green B is a kind of stain or dye for staining purposes. Okay, and this dye is especially for mitochondria. Next is that what is the mean of mitochondria? You can see just above this topic another cloud representing the mean of mitochondria is mitos means thread like, which is a Greek word, and chondrion means particles, which is a Latin word. So combinedly known as mitochondria means thread like or filamentous particles found within eukaryotic cells. What about its structure? The left side representing so many clouds. These are main points about its structures, and right side we will discuss in next video. The first cloud for structure is it is a double membrane bound cell organelle, and it is also known as a semi autonomous cell organelles because it has personal DNA. You can see guys in this diagram, right part has a circular DNA and labeled as double stranded circular DNA. If any cell organelle have personal DNA, so they can complete their approx 50 to 60% of entire living processes without any dependence upon nucleus, but 50% they are depend upon nucleus. That's why they known as semi autonomous, not a fully autonomous cell organelle. Okay, means they are half depend upon nucleus and half depend upon itself. Next cloud representing that so many synonyms or abbreviations, or can say also known as names of mitochondria, such as ATP mill of the cell means they produce enormous amount of energy in the form of ATP. ATP is an abbreviation for adenosine triphosphate. Second is generator of the cell means just like electrical generator, those are used in marriages or any kind of functions. Just like generators, mitochondria are generators of the cell, means they produce bulk amount of energy whenever required. Next is that similarly they known as powerhouse of the cell. Okay. Third cloud representing it can divide itself during cell division means mitochondria can divide itself just like nucleuses during cell division. Whenever cell become want to divide, so mitochondria priorly divide itself and maximize their number, or can say double their number or replicate themselves before or just before the cell division. Fourth cloud representing normally oblonged in shape, about their shape, which is commonly or normally in oblong shape, but in some exceptions such as spiral shape in sperms of human beings and ribbon shape in an algae known as spirillum. Last cloud representing largest in number found in muscles of a bird known as cormorant bird. Hope you guys understand about the structure and history of the mitochondria. About their labelings we will discuss in next part of this video. Thank you.